Hello, I'm ESL Teacher Bee. Today we learn singular, 1, and plural, 2. Pencil, a pencil, 1 pencil. Pencils, 2 pencils. Book, a book, 1 book. Books, books, 2 books. A notebook, 1 notebook. Notebooks, 2 notebooks. Ruler, a ruler. Rulers, 2 rulers. Where is the book? Where is the book? The book is on the table. Where are the pencils? Where are the pencils? The pencils are in the drawer. Where is a notebook? Where is a notebook? The notebook is on the desk. The notebook is on the desk. Where are the calculators? Where are the calculators? The calculators are in the drawer. The calculators are in the drawer.